Tecno Spark 30C5G full specifications. The Android V14 device features a slim profile with a thickness of just 8 millimeters, making it an appealing choice for users who prefer lightweight and portable technology. Weighing in at 189.2 grams, it boasts a side fingerprint sensor for enhanced security and convenience, ensuring quick access while maintaining a sleek design. Overall, this device combines a modern aesthetic with practical functionality, positioning itself as a solid option in the Android market. The device features a large 6.67-inch IPS screen, offering a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, which results in an average pixel density of 111 pixels per inch PPI, indicating that the display may not deliver the sharpest images compared to higher resolution screens. While it boasts a decent refresh rate of 120 Hz, enhancing fluidity in motion and interactions, the overall display quality could be considered subpar due to its lower resolution. The design includes a punch-hole display, which provides a modern aesthetic while minimizing bezels, but the combination of average resolution and pixel density may not fully satisfy users seeking a high-definition viewing experience. The camera system of this device features a 48MP dual rear camera setup, which offers decent photography capabilities, enhanced by the Sony IMX582 sensor for improved image quality. Users can record videos in full HD at 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing satisfactory video performance for everyday needs. Additionally, the device includes an 8MP front camera, ensuring adequate quality for selfies and video calls. Overall, the camera configuration delivers an average performance suitable for users seeking reliable photography without advanced features. The device is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, featuring a robust 2.4 GHz octa-core processor that ensures fast performance for multitasking and demanding applications. It comes with 4 GB of RAM, which provides average efficiency for everyday use. The device offers 64 GB of built-in storage, considered average by today's standards, but it also includes a dedicated memory card slot that allows for expandable storage of up to 1 TB, making it a suitable choice for users who need additional space for apps, media, and files. The connectivity options available in modern devices encompass a wide range of technologies designed to enhance communication and data transfer capabilities. They support advanced mobile networks such as 4G and 5G, which provide faster internet speeds and lower latency, along with VoLTE voice over LTE for improved voice call quality. Additionally, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facilitate wireless connections for accessory pairing and internet access, while NFC enables quick data exchanges and mobile payments. The inclusion of USB-C ports allows for versatile wired connections, supporting both power delivery and data transfer. Furthermore, an IR blaster can be found in some devices, enabling remote control functions for appliances and electronics. The device is equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, providing substantial power capacity for extended usage throughout the day. This battery size is considered average in the current market, striking a balance between longevity and weight. Additionally, it supports 18W fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge their device when needed, making it a practical choice for those who prioritize efficiency and convenience in their mobile experience.